Well, peoples, it's an exciting day, okay? And I don't even know where this is at in the video because we've just recorded so much of the video. But anyways, the excited part of the day is the beak is done. We put on the roll paint on the front. Zach's got it painted. Now we still got to put the stripes on it, like the bed. See? Don't that look good? Oh yeah. Yeah, of course it does. We know. Sorry. So now what we got to do is we're going to roll this thing in, take the braces off, and then Zach and I are going to pick it up and put it on the front. And throw a couple bolts in it. And then I guess it's moving on to getting the doors done. Getting things hooked up, I guess. I don't know, my brain's kind of just, it's in a fog, just trying to get this thing done. So, well, we're going to get this on. So hopefully the 100, 150 of you who watch this enjoy it. It'd be nice if you'd like share it or something and get some more people to freaking watch it. Yeah, I would. Yep. Okay, done calling you out. Let's get this nose on, Zach. What are you doing? So we put a roll pan on the front of these trucks. You gotta cut the horns off. Which would have been nice to know yesterday before I cut the crap out of my leg with it. That stupid corner right there. That's why I can't have nice things. This way. Note to self. I don't even know what the note is, but we're going to note it to ourselves. Well, let me grind that out and get a little paint, and we'll put the nose back on for a third time. Let's try this again, Zach.
We're gonna have it one of these times.
Okay.
It's kind of rubber.
Yeah, it does have on these rubbers.
Huh?
Okay. Let me grab a quick bolt. Just put a bolt in it up there. Let's get this side. Needs to come ahead, like this way. Somewhere there. That's probably not right, but. Well, as you guys remembered, we were trying to put the clip on 83 times. We finally got the clip on, okay? Now we have done a lot off video, and mainly because it has been colder than cold here, and we're having to run the old Heat-O-Matics to stay warm, because we're trying to move forward on this thing, and it just ain't advantageous to be able to run the heaters and record. But the clip is on. We've gotten all that done. So the clip is on. We've actually even added the, you know, the old Holley Retro Brights. Oh yeah, not sponsored, but should be, okay? We have gotten all the vintage stuff in the front, which that'll be coming in the vintage video. Not showing how I did it, but I'll explain that whole piece when we get, that's coming. So just keep watching, the vintage videos coming, okay? And then obviously, you know, all the wiring's all pretty well tidied up, cleaned up. You know, the hose is all around. Nothing's really changed much in here. We did, if Zach comes around this way, you can get the radiator. I haven't put the puke jug on yet, but we did get our cold case radiator in, you know. That's what we run, cold case radiators. They're the best, and you need to buy one if you haven't already. Not sponsored, but again, should be, okay? But yeah, cold case, they never disappoint. Those guys, this is their great big monster, the big 14s. This baby should stay like an ice cube. So excited about that. Trying to think what else we've done. That's pretty much it. Just getting the snout on, bolted in, squared up. We've laid the hood on it. It's all square. We might have to do a little adjusting when we get the doors done, which that may be another couple weeks or something. Who knows? Depends on the weather, because if it gets ice cold, we can't like work. It's just, it's been a weird winter so far. But we're this far. Oh yeah, we got the front window in. You guys didn't see that, did you? No. Okay, and then we didn't record that for a reason, because I always break front windows when I put them in, so I figured if I didn't record it, maybe I wouldn't break it, and guess what? I didn't break it, okay? Let's just say they're a treat. Maybe I'll video the back window going in or something. That one's gonna be equally as a treat. But anyways, we did get the front window in, so I have the old looking glass, and we're just chunking ahead. So I know we haven't shown every bit and piece of this truck as we're going, but I need this truck done. So sometimes when you're recording, it slows everything up a lot, and I need it done. So I do apologize for that. But I do bring you more great news today, because we are going to set the bed on this truck. And then we're going to get our first look at what it's going to kind of look like, minus the doors, because they're still not painted yet. But it'll kind of give us an idea of kind of where we're at. So excited about that. So I think without further ado, we're going to get the truck outside, forklift's warming up. We do got to lift the bed and add the little pieces to it, which shouldn't take more than about 5 or 10 minutes. And then we're just going to, the old bed on the back, drop the bolts through, which are still red, but that's fine because we still got to put another coat in the bed at some point. So not worried about that. But other than that, I think we're good. So let's go outside. where it's cold and get the bed on this thing. Okay. Whew. Believe it or not, it's getting warm even though we're gonna have a ice storm here in a few hours. Ridiculous weather, I'm telling you. Anyways, bed's up on Forky. We got the truck there. Just working on getting this all put back together. So the big flat piece goes here, because I'd forgotten. And then the big piece goes up over, and then your struts go right here. And then we just undercoated the whole thing. So it's all bolted back together, as good or better than it was when I bought it. I do got to add a couple bolts here, which I will do that once it's sitting on the lift, because we're gonna lift it up and do all the wiring anyway. So I'll deal with that on the lift. So I guess really the next thing I gotta do is fire the old truck up, back her up close, and then we'll get old Forky and set her down and throw some bolts in it. So, one more step closer. If I only had doors. Well, the truck's really long again. God, that's a long truck. Woo. But man, it looks good. It is low. We got low down. And once we finish adding everything to the front and all the interior pieces and all that weight, she should settle the front down. And then you put a couple pounds in that back, and I think she sits pretty good. Now it just really needs doors, don't you think? Yeah, I think she really just gonna need some doors now. But I like it. I like it a lot.